Okay, here we go, the thing what makes this crazy sound out from your vehicle. It's the exhaust pipe. So basically, as you can see, this one is completely gone. It's all the way burned out. So yeah, that's basically we have a rubbish. And in here you can see a new one. So nice and shiny. So we just exchange this exhaust part of the exhaust pipe system. So basically this little thing need to make a little movement of the both pipes. So make sure it moves between the front one, which one comes out from the engine, and between the rear one, which one goes right to the back. So if you don't got something like this, basically your pipe all the way when you're gonna drive, it's gonna try to break down the top fixing place. Usually it's turbine or the engine collector. So basically that place is gonna be bad if you don't got something like this. So always make sure you check this little thing. So yeah, here we go, the old one. It's completely with the big hole all the way around. The steel is off, and the new one. Okay.